Yes. So we are actually at my property. This is my stepmom and my auntie. We came to thank God for this ground. We came to bless the ground that God gave me. They have finally started breaking ground. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. One of these days, I'm going to tell y'all my story. I promise you. The people out here waving at me. I'm going to tell y'all my story. Because it wasn't supposed to be like this, but God decided that it would be. They are breaking ground. They told me April. I'm like, okay, come on, April, no ground. Okay, so they can see the ground.
The ground.
They told me April. It didn't break. We didn't break ground in April because we had a rainy April. Then they said May 10th. May 10th came and went. Then they told me May 24th. It's May 19th, and they're actually doing this a little early. I am so super excited with what God has done. It's raining, but God said, okay, we still gonna break this ground.
Raining blessings.
It's gonna rain blessings. I cannot wait to be in this house. It's gonna just be a house of love and fun. Oh, y'all gonna make me cry. Okay, I can't ugly cry on camera. Oh my God, y'all just don't know where I came from. I told you one day I'm gonna tell my story. So I'm just gonna put this out there. If you are a woman, and I'm sorry, no shade to my men. If you are a woman and you are struggling and you waiting on him to get it right, he may not ever get it right. But God has done something very special. When he created women, he gave us everything we needed to produce greatness. It's just in us. So I'm gonna tell you now, y'all better call me, because I'm telling you, this groundbreaking did not happen because I worked as a school teacher. This is forex funded. I was not at the mall buying Birkins. I was not at the mall. I'm telling y'all, I wasn't doing makeup tutorials. I was in my house praying and crying, asking God to teach me how to trade. Oh my God.
Thank you, Jesus.
Woo! This has been a long time coming.
They wave, they chiming in.
Woo, I'm so happy, y'all.
Thank you.
Woo, I'm just gonna put this out there. I am 50 years old, and this is my first home that I'm able to buy. Myself, my money. This is not somebody else's money.
Yes.
I didn't have to call anybody.
Thank you, Jesus.
I didn't have to tell anybody loan me any money.
Yes.
This is what I have done.
Yes.
This is what God has blessed. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Woo! So, let's see how long it takes them to finish this. So they're saying I should be done by August. I was told by everybody I know that anytime somebody builds a house, tack on an extra month. I hope that's not the case, because when I tell y'all I have furniture waiting and ready, I cannot wait to put the couch and the curtains and the bar stools and the light fixtures and everything up. So I'll keep you guys posted. If there's anybody that finds this feed and you really want to know, let me just show y'all. This is not like one house in the hood. This is a community. I'm sorry, am I in your way, sir? I'm sorry. The people telling me I need to get out of the way. All right, so if you really want to learn how to do what I do, I really want to teach you how to do what I do. My prices are not that expensive. Just DM me, or you can email me at TradeMastersMentorship@gmail.com. You can give me a call at 314-730-5353. Thank you, Big Hurt STL. He said you deserve it, my sister. Woo! So let me know. I promise I'll help you guys. I'll be patient and I'll be on time with the classes. Everything is super laid out, super easy to follow, very organized. All of my sessions are taught live. So if you want to know about binary options and stocks and forex and anything that can be traded on the foreign exchange market, guess what? I want you to be blessed just like I am. I want you to receive better blessings than I have gotten, because God didn't give me this to keep to myself. So let me know. I'm now gonna go get something to eat. God bless bless you all, and I hope and pray that I see you all in the market. Bye-bye.